A Quezon City Court has issued a warrant of arrest laban kay dating Senador Antonio Trillanes, this time for false testimony. Under Article 180 of the Revised Penal Code, false testimony means lying under oath. Hindi ito simpleng pagkakamali o misquote. It's a deliberate attempt to twist the truth in an official proceeding. At kung gagawin ito ng isang dating senador, mas mabigat ang pananagutan. The case was filed by Davao City Representative Paulo Polong Duterte after Trillanes allegedly gave false statements during the 2024 congressional hearing. If proven, this means Trillanes weaponized lies, destroying not only reputations but also public trust. Now, accountability knocks on his door. And for once, the man who often accused others must now face the law himself.